For more than a decade, Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa has been dedicated to improving the life experience of children in its host community of Vieux through the Cocoland Cares Initiative. Championed by Chairman Gary Hendrickson, the transformational step to adopt the Early Childhood Center, the ABC Funhouse, was taken in March 2024, marking a significant investment in the future of Saint Lucia's youngest learners and ultimately the nation. And on September 2nd, 2024, teachers and students were greeted with their improved facilities.
It is said that you invest $1 in early childhood education, you won't get back between anywhere, it depends on who you ask, between $17 and $25. You don't get the money back. What you don't spend the money on the justice system, you don't spend the money on jails, you don't spend the money on having to chase people down, you don't spend the money on people having health issues because they're not literate enough to understand that no, a half a pound of sugar every day will kill you. You're smart enough to make good choices. And this is what they say, they get better jobs, they attract higher paying wages, and so that's how you see the return on it. And this is what I intend to push as much for as I can here, because I know it's true. It has proved it true in too many different countries who are extremely successful with their early childhood system.
Coconut Bay invested $250,000 in renovating the school, the first phase of a 4-year commitment.
We have completely remodeled the classrooms for our 1, 2, and 3-year-olds, creating an encouraging and engaging space with new furniture, new flooring, decor, paint, and learning accessories. The bathrooms have also been remodeled to include child potties, new paint, new flooring, hands-free sinks, dryers, and soap dispensers that are ideal for potty training. They also now have a freshly painted kitchen with slightly renovated furniture and new appliances for the preparation of healthy meals.
To equip our educators and foster creativity and essential skills, we've provided diverse early learning tools and installed a 75-inch smart screen. We've also strengthened the early learning team by providing the creative curriculum, which includes an online portal allowing parent-teacher engagement to foster continuous learning and transparency. Our commitment goes a step further to provide financial assistance for intensive training. Our commitment ensures that today's 2-year-olds will have the best facilities each year, in addition to a modern and encouraging learning environment.
They also created a welcoming atmosphere with landscaped grounds and installed new playground equipment, encouraging productive play and social interaction.
You did not just do for me and the staff, but for all the children and parents in the communities of Auger, Labrie, and environs. You have assisted greatly in transforming our center into a new stimulating and educational environment. Words cannot express my heartfelt gratitude to you. Thank you for investing in a curriculum package to help the children, as the staff, as well as the parents and families involved in using the various invaluable apps.
Because you're running a business that its main source of income comes from families. And when families do not have what it takes to pay the fees, what happens? But I've seen this lady go above and beyond to ensure that the doors of this facility never closed. We cried, we prayed, we laughed, we did all what it took, and then her prayers were answered by Coconut Bay.
The government of Saint Lucia, we do register our appreciation to the great work that you're doing. Coconut Bay, you are setting the example and you're being the model for other corporate citizens in Saint Lucia to pattern after you.
Coconut Bay's commitment extends beyond infrastructure, financial support, and funding for staff certifications and training in early childhood education. The resort is also providing day passes to the school for fundraising efforts. Management is also encouraging guests to not only enjoy the beauty of the island and its people, but commit to its sustained future.
Our guests that stays at Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa and Serenity. Throughout the year, ladies and gentlemen, they have supported us by bringing school equipment, books, learning tools for our students. And we have encouraged them to continue to do so during the rest of the year.
We are so grateful and so happy for it because, as you know, the children are the future and teachers here are really hardworking. I'm just super excited and so happy to see all the changes that we've done with the help of Coconut Bay. They honestly adopted us, they took care of us, they gave us the necessary supplies that we needed because we're a community-based school. So I'm just so happy and grateful that we got the support from them.
Thank you, Coconut Bay, for hearing our cries and assisting us.
The Cocoland Cares initiative has further impacted the communities of the South, with children of all ages benefiting from Coconut Bay's $100,000 donation of critical equipment to St. Jude's Pediatric Ward.
Yes, we're getting it right.